Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Het spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten!
The piston cup.
Yes! We have a three-way tie.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins.
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock! Me be jamming now, man!
Paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job. Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out.
With the runaway kite, I'll puff and I'll huff with all of my might. I'm the fastest engine on Sodor.
I hereby dub thee.
Neither one of them has a single deck.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
For today's great test of speed, our finish line will be the abandoned beach.
Don't worry. I'm sure we can find a way to save you and the tree. Roy?
To see you, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
I get it. I get it. I know what needs to be done.
Then do it.
What? No.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto. Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here. No, you are not winning this.
You're angry!
I am not angry.
No!
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will. That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Correcto.
Hay que ir recto.
¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y
¡Fuera!
Training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
I hope you got your drip.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
He's gonna blow!
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
lap after lap, inside, outside, inches apart, never touching. Now that's racing.
The Rusty Tail's down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.